I was inspired to join Becoming Collegiate Academy because of its mission statement to prepare all brown bears for college and life. I would say so far, so good. I like a lot of the stuff that I do here. I like that I'm able to be in the background and help keep push the vision forward. My advice for someone who is thinking about working here is to maybe not discount themselves if they're not really driven towards working directly with kids, because as someone like that, I still feel like I am a valuable member of this community and that I'm definitely helping. But also the kids are great, come be a teacher, and they definitely need that. Community aspect within the staff itself is also another rewarding aspect of working here, because like we really get along, we really like each other, and it makes it great to come to work every day.
I enjoy working at Becoming Collegiate Academy because I feel like I have an opportunity to pour into children that look like me. Um, I remember when I was in elementary school not having much black male teachers, so that was a big part of me wanting to become an educator as well. The principal of the school, Cameron Frazier, is a mentor of mine. He was one of my first African-American male teachers, and the impact that he had on me is like an impact that I would want to leave on my students as well. I feel like being here allows me to do exactly that while growing into the leader that I want to be in the future. I feel like everybody that's an educator and take it seriously wants to be the best that they can be, and I feel like working here at Becoming Collegiate Academy is preparing me to be the best educator I can be. Here at Becoming Collegiate Academy, professional development is supported through trainings from our leadership and different trainings from outside of the school. I enjoy the professional development as it gives me the opportunity to grow as a teacher and help my students learn to the best of their abilities. Some of the most rewarding aspects of the job would be, just seeing students learning and growing in a safe, fun environment with teachers who truly care about them. Representation is important, so them just having teachers that look like them, come from the same backgrounds as them, helps them to experience school in a different way. The leadership and management at the school has impacted me in my professional development and working as a teacher. I have realized that teaching is an art, and they actually care to help you grow in that area of whatever area of teaching it is on all levels. Some of the greatest strengths of the school, in my opinion, would be community engagement as well as family involvement. Haven't been at any schools or seen any schools with as much family involvement as we have within this 1 year. Everyone has kind of bought into what the vision and mission of the school is, and is trying to give 100% to make the school into the best school it can be.